Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So unfortunately I am just about out of 100 octane, and it's about an hour away from me, and with the temperatures getting in the 30s, low 30s, I am filling up with 93 octane and going back to map 1. So previously, if you haven't checked out that video, I added a full tank of 100 octane. I'll post that video here at the top, running race map 7 with all the other mods that I have. Even with the boost leak, which I'm still trying to figure out, and I have a few other things that I'm going to be replacing, but it peaked about high 17 psi with boost leak. It should be right at 20 psi, so of course it was failing off there. It could be just my turbos being original at 156,000 miles, they just can't pump out 20 psi at all, or some other factors. But at 17.5 psi, it's a rocket. So my map 1 with the back end flash is right around a little past 16, give or take, 16.5. Sometimes can spike up to 17 actually, but it's right around like 16 for the most part. That still feels really fast and feels great. So that's what I'm going back to today. So I'm off to get some gas now. Just testing again the pedal tuner from Burger Motorsports. If you guys haven't checked out that install, that video, I'll post it up here at the top. Definitely check it out. This thing feels great. The car just feels so much better, so much more responsive, and everything else like that. But also in this video, I'm going to do a little bit more hands-on sharing that footage with you guys. So I'll use my phone so that way I can capture like just real life how you're sitting in the car. So we're going to do that here now. Back into the car, we'll need to switch to map 1. We can just go ahead and start it. Now we need to hit the channel down button and the volume button at the same time. And then move our channel button back to map 1. And then close out. So we're just in manual mode. Let's just go forth. It's just as soon as you touch on the gas, it's just instant. Just right away. And now I'm on the stage 2 one as far as map goes. But just cruising along at 60. If you just need to get up to speed, I think the biggest thing is just the response. Just down at the pedal, right? Response. You touch it, and the engine comes on. So just like normal driving. You're already, up to speed. Alright guys, the Burger Motorsports pedal tuner, more so in real life, so that way you guys can just see how great it is. I mean, it is really responsive. And me personally, I was quite surprised how well it worked, because I was a little doubtful. But, after installing it and just been driving around for the last few days, so it's really grown on me, meaning I'm surprised I'm just now doing any kind of pedal tuner, to be honest with you, and happy that Burger Motorsports came out with one. Obviously, you can't go wrong with their products, of course, with any kind of tune-related things on your BMW. So all is well. I'm happy, satisfied customer, of course, and enjoying my BMW even more. Like I said, guys, check out the DIY on how to install it, and of course some of the different maps you can run. That's JB4 in general, but it just makes your overall driving experience that much better. Since I only have 93 octane in the tank now I'm going to be around 16.5 or so PSI as far as for the tune goes, but as soon as it warms up, I'll be putting back 100 octane back in the tank again. But while I wait until that time, I'm going to be going through and doing all my checks and balances so I can see just exactly where I'm losing boost at somewhere. It's been a little finicky, but I'll be doing the smoke test, so I'll know for sure where it's at. So it could be the wastegates, of course, since it can't hold that much pressure, you know, being how old they are. And it's just a fact of life. I just have to decide on, you know, what my goals are as far as going to the next level. But I really feel that it's definitely in boost leak somewhere, and these turbos still have enough oomph in them, just because when I'm on map 1, the car drives amazing and I don't have any wastegate duty cycle maxing out. So a few things to check on, and I'll go from there. But you know, thanks guys, big thumbs up on the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and a lot more good stuff to come. I got some DIYs actually coming in the next few days, so check out those DIYs. We'll get back to those. Have a good one. Take care.